Okay, so this strip was stuck. You can see this very little bit. I mean, mostly it's just foundation there. So they didn't build the comb. It's not like that every time. Oh, but it is like that a lot of times. Let's see what's going on here. And this is from a different strip. This isn't from the same strip. My phone, well, my glasses, the battery's about 9%, so I'll get a couple more quick videos in. But this frame was between two frames that had a strip on it, but this frame got the comb affected with that business there. So that's my point. Is though, it takes 3 frames. It's taking 4 frames to get off 2 strips. Or hold on, it's taking 3 frames to get off 1 strip. I'm just gonna drop that down here. This strip was right here, so it was going over here, and this strip was here, going over here, and it stuck to this frame. So I'm having to take off another frame here. I might be off a little bit in my math, but I mean, I think I complained about it enough to make my point. Oh, there it is. It's on the other side. Alright, it's like a strong box of honey for these guys for the winter. There shouldn't be a lot of brood up here. All the brood should be down. They'll move